Imagine creating all these attractive quality thumbnails using just AI, all for free. No experience needed in graphic design. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a quality attractive thumbnail using just AI, all for free. You don't need to know how to use Photoshop or CorelDRAW before you can do this. All you just need is just a right prompt. And I'm going to be teaching you how to write this prompt very well in order to achieve that result that you want. So before we jump into the video, a quick one. Please, if you are watching from YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And if you are watching from Facebook, Instagram, or anywhere, please try as much as possible to follow us. That's all I want from you. And I'm going to be teaching you everything in detail, step by step. So what are we waiting for? Let's head into the video right now. Okay guys, to do this, just head over to your Chatgpt. As you can see, here's my Chatgpt. Head over to Chatgpt and then type your prompt. Now, I want to generate a YouTube thumbnail on how to get more views on YouTube. Do you understand? Now type your prompt. Create a high format. Okay guys, here's my prompt. Yes, look at this prompt. Create a high resolution YouTube thumbnail with a text style background. Use a dark gradient background with a grid. You understand? Blah 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 blah. So here's my prompt, but somehow I'm not sure about this prompt. Do you understand? I'm not sure if this prompt will give me what I want. In order for me to avoid editing, re-editing and editing and editing again, for me to get a better result, I'll ask Chatgpt to follow this formula of this my prompt and act as a prompt engineer and optimize this prompt for me to give me a better result that I want. So now let's write it. Because I'm not sure now, I'm not sure if I'll get a better thing with this. You know, you cannot be better than Chatgpt. Do you understand? So Chatgpt will write a perfect one for me. Now let's type it. As you can see, now see what I say. I say follow this formula, act as a prompt engineer, review this prompt and write a better prompt that will give me a better result. So with this, Chatgpt will rewrite this prompt in a better way. Chatgpt will analyze and optimize this prompt for me in a better way. Then I'll just head over to my Googleimagefx and generate my thumbnail. So let's go. Click here. And as you can see, Chatgpt has generated a better prompt for me. So all I will have to do is to just go ahead and copy this particular one. Head over to your Chrome. Search for Googleimagefx. As you can see, the first link, click it. And then paste your prompt that you copy from Chatgpt, paste it here. And then wait for Imagefx to do the magic. Let's watch and see what Imagefx will generate for us. Okay guys, as you can see, look at the image that Imagefx generated. Look at the thumbnail that Imagefx generated by the prompt that we placed. As you can see, look at it. Look at the prompt. Look at the image that this AI generated. As you can see, perfectly. You understand? As you can see, and then just go ahead and download it. And the best thing is that you can download this thing with the highest quality. You can download it using the highest quality. Do you understand? You don't need to use a lower quality. No, you download this thing using a very high quality. Do you understand? So that the quality of the image will not reduce. Wow. So now let's do another one. Let's do another example. Do you understand? Let's do another example. Okay guys, to do this, just head over to Chatgpt. As you can see, here's my Chatgpt. Go ahead and click it. Okay, I want to generate a thumbnail. I want to create a thumbnail on my YouTube video, which is how to grow your audience with some tools. You understand? I'm creating a video on how to grow your audience using some YouTube tools. So I have the idea. This is what I want, but I don't know the exact prompt that will give me the exact thumbnail that I want. So I'll just come here and write my idea of the prompt. So I'll come here and write my prompt. A high quality. So look at my prompt. A high quality vibrant YouTube thumbnail designed with a black man in the foreground. You understand? But you see, this prompt, I'm not sure of this prompt. Do you understand? I'm not too sure of this prompt. This prompt will not give me what I want. So I want to do something that will make Chatgpt to give me the best prompt. Do you understand? I want Chatgpt to generate a best prompt that will give me what I want for me. So I'm going to add something. I'm going to ask Chatgpt to follow this my prompt and act as a prompt engineer to optimize this prompt for me. Do you understand? Now I've written my own prompt, but I'm not sure. I want Chatgpt to act as a prompt engineer in order to give me what I want. So Chatgpt will rewrite this prompt, and then I'll copy this prompt and then head over to my Imagefx and generate the image. Do you understand? Since I cannot go to Imagefx and be editing and this, so for you to be editing till you get what you want, just tell Chatgpt to generate a very good prompt for you. Tell Chatgpt to act as a prompt engineer and generate a better prompt for you that will give you the result that you want. So Chatgpt will follow this my prompt and rewrite a very good prompt for me. Do you understand? So what Chatgpt will write is the one that I'll copy and go to my Imagefx and generate the image. Do you understand? Now this is how I'm going to do. Follow this my prompt. As you can see, I tell Chatgpt, follow this my prompt, act as a prompt engineer, review this prompt and write a better version of this prompt for me. Do you understand? Then go ahead and click OK. Okay, Chatgpt have write a new version of that my prompt for me, a better version, that will give me the result that I want. So I will just come here, I'll just go ahead and copy it. Then after you copy it, just head over to your Chrome, search for Googleimagefx. The first link that will come out, the first link here is the link, so go ahead and click it. So I'll come here and paste my prompt. Now I'll paste my prompt on Imagefx. Let's wait and see the magic from Imagefx. Imagefx is going to do the magic. Now let's watch and see. Calm down. Okay guys, as you can see, look at that. Do you see? Look at that. This is awesome. Look at the results. Look at the results of the prompt that I pasted on Imagefx. Do you see? Then just go ahead and download your image. You understand? See how quality this image is. And when you are downloading this design with the highest quality, the best quality, do you understand? So this is very easy. Do you understand? And this is just so good. So guys, another easiest way to do this is to upload a design. Like you saw, like for example, if you see a design that you like and then you want to create the kind of that design. For example, you see a design and you like the design and you want to create exactly the same kind of design and maybe with a little changes. Now, like for example, this kind of design or this one, maybe you like this design and you want to create exactly like this, something like this. So all you need to do is to carry this design, just head over to Chatgpt. Okay, come to Chatgpt and upload that design. So let's just upload the design. I'll tell Chatgpt to analyze this design and write the prompt for me. So you need to write the prompt very well. As you all know, this Chatgpt is garbage in, garbage out. So you make sure you prompt your writing very well. Make sure you write your prompt very well so that you get what you want. Okay, and then just go ahead and click it. And you can also tell Chatgpt to create exactly this type of design. Okay, as you can see, here is the prompt. Create a promptly fire design for a Facebook ads training course. The theme should be modern. Okay, now guys, here's the prompt that Chatgpt generated. So just go ahead and copy this prompt. So guys, comparing the two sides, look at this. Look at it. This one, I'm using this one for YouTube, and then I'm using this one for Facebook or wherever. Do you understand? So that's why it's like this. Look at it. This side is for maybe Facebook, Instagram, while this one is for YouTube. So make sure to indicate your size. Do you understand? Indicate your size when you write the prompt on Chatgpt. Tell Chatgpt this is the size, or you can even tell Chatgpt the size of the image should be Instagram image resolution. or Facebook image resolution. This one, YouTube image resolution. You understand? So make sure to optimize it very well. So this is basically how to generate attractive quality thumbnail using just AI. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please don't just go. Drop your comment at the comment section, and if you are watching from YouTube, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like the video. If you are watching from Facebook, Instagram, or anywhere, please don't forget to follow and like the video also. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. This is how to by Midjourney, where we teach you basically how to do anything. If there's anything you're having issue with, maybe you want to do something and you don't know how to do it, drop that in at the comment section and we'll make video about it and tag you and show you how to do it step-by-step guide. Thank you so much for watching to the very end once more again. We do really appreciate you. Remember, your engagement is what keeps us creating. As per usual, friend, hand to head, salute.